Aloha, Niko.
Aloha. I don't think
I'm so confused. Where are all the crabs?
Here's another one. Look. They come up.
No, no, you don't. Oh, you got no, you got your jammies on. Your jammies! Whoa!
Presenting my Hawaii family. Alright, Colby, snag one of these.
The nut part? Started eating it.
Oh, that looks good, girl. That good watermelon. Good morning, Hawaii. We've been up since 5 a.m. and now the sun's rising.
Follow me, everyone.
She was the first one in Hawaii today. Woo! We got the sun rising over here almost. Come on, miss!
Please. I don't want to get crab.
There's crabs in there, I think. And look, there's another one over here.
Daddy, what if I go grab me and Niko sand toys?
Yeah, grab the sand toys. Niko, we're gonna dig up the crabs. Sand toy mission. Hey, yours were so close. Good job.
Guys, let's go and grab. Look, I got my sand toys. Let's go.
Aloha, Niko.
Aloha.
He's so cute. Aloha, girls.
Aloha.
Oh, this looks like a big one. Should we dig right here?
Yeah.
How deep do you think it is?
I don't know.
Look at that one.
What?
It's huge.
Let's go see. Oh, that one is pretty big. Should we dig this
Yeah,
one?
take it one more time. The crab's not in the hole, Dad.
I think it turned that way towards Adley.
We gotta find one.
Maybe they make new holes every morning.
Maybe, I don't know. Huh. Haha.
I have my stuff.
Oh, there's a hole right there.
This one.
There's no hole anywhere else. Where are these crabs at? I want to catch one.
Here's another one, look. They come on. I saw something new go down there.
Adley saw something move.
Thank you, Dad. I don't think
I'm
we're
so confused. Where are all the crabs?
Oh, you could dig deep. Do you think we could get to China from here?
Let's dig all the way to Utah.
Adley, that sock does not get any sand on it. That's
I
cool.
love it.
Maybe he's putting sand in Niko's pail.
Thank you, Dad. It literally feels like there's sand on there, but there's not. Dad, I want to make the sandcastle.
Oh,
Make sandcastle. Yay!
good job, buddy.
I'm gonna dig this.
Ooh, dig it.
Yeah! Okay, let's go look for animals.
Should we go look around?
Yeah. Wait. Every time I come to the beach, when we're looking for animals, I grab a safety stick to make sure it's alive before I grab it.
Want it to be alive before you grab it.
Ooh, there's a coconut. Ah! Come on. No, no, you don't. Oh, you don't. No, you got your jammies on. No, don't you dare. No. Get her. Come here. Don't let her get wet.
Okay.
Dad, you stinker. Her jammies. Oh, no, I told you no. Navey, you're all wet. Guys, the sunrise.
The sun's coming up. I'm the king of the mountain.
Hello! The king of the mountain. We're the king of the mountain.
Hi!
Let's go explore.
Ooh, is that a shell?
What'd you find?
Seaweed.
Oh, cute little shell. Ooh. You wanna go show Adley?
Daddy, we found
Woohoo, Nave! Let's go!
Okay.
She wants mama.
Now that you're all wet. Oh, yeah.
Come here.
Saw a lizard?
Yeah.
There's a lizard over here.
Somewhere between those rocks. That's the wizard in my bucket.
Okay, where did he go? Come here, little lizard. Where are you?
Wizards like to hide.
Did you see where he went?
No.
Whoa.
I think I found a dead crab.
Grab it, grab it.
Look.
It's a dead crab. Whoa. Look, rainbow.
Wow.
A rainbow right there. Do you see it?
It's a double rainbow all the way.
It's gonna be a good best day ever. We see a rainbow.
Daddy, this morning, let's get in our swimsuit and go, biggie boarding.
Oh, yeah. Should we get out in the water today? Mom, we're gonna go boogie boarding. Oh, this is beautiful.
Should we get our sand toys?
We're getting swimsuits and we're coming back out. This girl's gonna do some boogie boarding.
I found shells, seashell.
Yeah.
Let's go surfing.
Going surfing.
Going surfing.
Going surfing.
I'm gonna eat my giant donut while I go surfing, Daddy.
All right, our first time in Hawaii water. Oh, oh no! Like all the way in the water, you know what I'm saying?
We're going.
You ready to surf?
I brought my surfer and my donut.
And your floaties. You are set, girl. Coconut. Oops.
We have so many coconuts here. I've never seen a coconut in my whole life.
I know. Oops.
Wait.
Oh.
Good job, Mom. Sunscreen.
My legs, that's
Your
all.
face.
Oh yeah, I want to do my face.
She's turning into Ghost Adley. When you see Ghost Adley come out, you know we're about to have fun. Woo! Ghost Adley legs!
Ready to fight.
Oh, you should have a ponytail, honey.
She's going to boogie board battle. I probably need a ponytail. My hair's been crazy in the wind. I don't know how to break coconuts.
You don't need any more freckles, Dad.
I got all the freckles I need. Thank you. All right, Mama. Hey, we're going to surf. Will you film?
Yeah.
We're going surfing.
Oh, wait, Dad, Adley. You gotta put that strap on now.
Yeah, we gotta put our strap on so we don't lose our boogie boards.
Put it on your hand, guys. Your hand, weirdos.
Oh, you put it on your hand?
Yes.
I guess that's real surfing.
And why Dad always tell me you put it on your leg?
That's when you're surfing.
Yeah,
on your
surfing,
feet.
you put it on your leg. For a boogie board, you put it on your
I
hand.
want to go surfing.
We can stand up on it later.
I'm scared.
Guys, there's literally no waves right here. That way.
Those are perfect boogie board
Okay,
waves,
yep.
Mama. Here, let me just help you first. Yeah. Alright, let's catch a bigger one. Ready? Here comes the big one. Go!
I am getting my shorts wet for you guys. Woo-hoo-hoo!
Ready?
Yeah! Woo-hoo!
Pretty good. We'll come back when there's bigger waves. Waves.
Oh, right when we get out. That was fun watching you guys.
Oh boy,
okay.
she's gonna donut the waves. Let's go, donut girl.
You cold? You're shivering. Whoa. Whoa.
I think I'm ready to go to
Hot tub, okay.
hot
Hot tub.
You got all your sand off?
tub.
Hot tub time.
If I can get in the hot tub.
Yesterday we got home and I put Naves to bed and it was pouring rain and Sean and the kids got in the hot tub.
Oh yeah, in the pouring rain.
I'm pretty sure Niko was naked too.
Johnny.
Probably don't need your floaties on.
Yeah, can you take them off?
Yeah. Oh wait, there's a safety. You gotta push this button. Oh yeah. Good
That's
job.
why kids can't.
Kids can't escape, huh? Wow!
Oh,
Guys, we have a really cool place.
I know,
You're
Mom.
not-
You did a good job picking this place.
Oh yeah.
Look at this little like cove we have. And look, you can go all the way out to where those fishers are, and it's not even deep.
Yeah, they're standing out there.
We should go out there like with the water vlog and explore and look for animals.
Probably need some shoes.
Yeah, wear water shoes.
Yep.
What do you think's out there? I bet there's like crabs and fish.
We haven't seen any
Starfish.
turtles yet. We need to go find some turtles.
I want to find a little starfish for Navey to see.
Oh,
We haven't seen any animals yet except for fish.
it's true. We need to go find some animals tomorrow. Big surprise tomorrow, actually. You guys are gonna love it.
Ooh, I know.
Adley's gonna love it. Dad's
I'm
gonna love
gonna
it.
love it.
What is it?
Niko may be a little nervous, but he's gonna love it.
Ooh, I think I know.
You do?
We're going rock climbing.
We're going out to the middle of the ocean. Is that it? Yes.
I saw Mom wave her head.
I got a delivery. Thank you. Hold on, Nick. Hey, that delivery's not for the house. That delivery goes right there. Did we ever tell you guys the back of Navy's hair right there, how it's all bald? That happened when she got COVID. Navy's like the back of all her hair fell out and it's growing back now, but it was pretty sad when it happened. I love her curls though. Look at this curly hair. I
Hello. But Dad, you
What?
have to do that at the very end.
Okay.
Okay?
I'll be the
Now
judge.
we're gonna do it.
Okay.
So 1 minute to practice so you count, okay?
Okay. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's start this competition. It's a good old-fashioned Hawaii dance battle. Adley versus Colby.
What was the theme?
The theme is Hawaii.
I didn't know the theme was going to get 1 more minute to practice.
1 more minute to practice. Contestants, are you ready? Rock, paper, scissors for who goes first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Alright,
You go first or I go first?
Whoever wins.
you're first.
Mine starts over here. I want to dance.
Hey, my turn. It's another beautiful day at the beach. Let's go.
Yow! Who won that dance battle? I don't know. That was a good dance battle. What do you think? Good job. Just saw one going here. Did you get him? What's your tip? Really?
Yeah, they love to.
Okay, look, we just saw a crab going here, so we're digging here for a quick minute. We cannot find crabs. Okay, so it's in there, right?
Yeah.
Like, there's no more hole. Don't understand. But, like, we've dug way deep. Niko, look, a jellyfish.
Dad, don't bury it. Mommy!
Goodbye, jelly. This is such a best day ever. Okay, so we know he's in here. Can we just dig him out? No! No, we trapped him in there. It's like Aladdin in the Cave of Wonders. Now I have to dig him out. I feel like obligated. Hey, there's a crab that's waiting for us to rescue it. We should be able to find him. I'm so confused. Why can't we find those crabs? Where is he? Look at the guy! We found him! Oh my God, we did? And he got trapped! Where'd he go? Presenting my Hawaii family! Oh yeah, looking good. Oh, I need to get in the shot, Colby. The Hawaii family!
We're Moana. You can be Moana's dad.
I'll be Moana's dad. Moana, protect the village or something.
I'm matching you.
Yeah.
Matching. Going to the Polynesian Culture Center. It's my first time. I'm excited.
I've never been there.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Good job. Okay. Whoa.
And then there's a waterfall after. There's only one thing I gotta say.
What?
My butt is soaked. Which one looks yummy? Which one?
Yummy. Grab one.
This one has more ice. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
It's good. We got sour cucumbers and watermelon.
Ooh, that's a healthy plate. Look at this. Oh, those are my favorite
Are they
lychee nuts. Yes. I used to crush those in Honduras. They were so delicious. Lychee nuts, lychee nuts. They call them rambutan. They're delicious. Okay, Colby, snag one of these.
All right, let me get one. So you just eat this part.
The inside part, yep.
Take a bite out of it. Okay.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
That's pretty good. It's kind of slimy.
I know. It tastes like a grape, a slimy grape. Oh, that's exactly what it is.
You eat the nut part?
You put the whole thing in your mouth and spit out the middle part.
Started eating it.
Look what I got.
I've never had it.
Daddy, look at this dance I made up.
He's so passionate about watermelon. It's like a watermelon commercial. Air majestically.
How is it?
Oh, look out.
That good watermelon. I'm sorry. Babe, he is loving that watermelon. This kid never eats, and right now he's just eating like a king.
Cheers.
I went pulled pork with a purple roll.
The best dad in the world. Your kids and wife love you. Happy birthday to you, Sean. Many, many more. Happy birthday, Sean.
They just tricked me. Whose idea was that?
Here it says.
Chocolate or strawberry or purple?
I like the brown.
Brown?
Daddy, I want the pink and white with the purple.
Okay.
That's not.
Oh, that looks good, girl. Oh, yeah.
My toppings are gonna be a little bit of sprinkles and M&M's.
Okay, I like that. Yeah, we're sticking together. Where are we going to sit?
We're gonna sit right in the back.
Oh, in the back? Oh. Buddy check.
Buddy check.
Buddy check.
Buddy.
Colby, you can sit right here.
Buddy. Ooh, I was worried.
He needs a buddy.
Buddy check.
Buddy check. You're my buddy.
I already
Okay.
got her
Buddy check, buddy check. Hey, buddy check.
Buddy check.
Oh, you're climbing. Okay.
Get your hands and feet inside the ride at all times.
You have to listen to this right now. Sister Hernandez and I would love to right now in place for the same. Here, they want. So they have to experience with me.
Adley, good catch. Adley just caught my hat.
Adley, how's that booty working? What? Your sand booty, not your booty booty.